Okay, let's do this one more time. Hi, Kazinani from Rabakumbuzo, and this is my maintenance. Hello guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel, Kazinani from Rabakumbuzo, and thank you for clicking into this video. I hope you're gonna enjoy the content that is on this channel. Welcome back to a new day into the vlog. I realized that this vlog doesn't really have an intro, so I'm just here to quickly do an intro. But then yeah, this vlog, it is my maintenance vlog, and I'm just gonna run a montage for the next two clips, and then you are gonna see this setup again. So yeah, please make sure that you like this video, you subscribe, and of course leave a comment down below. I will see you guys on the other side.
Y'all to blame for what we could have been, cause look at what we are. Your friends are scared to tell you you went too far. Funny that it's always been all about you from the start. I met someone new last night and we kicked it, and I'm going back there tonight. You know what's on my mind this time. Going back there tonight, and you know what's on my mind. So second guess, I should've stayed. You say the word, I'm on the way. This shit feels like teenage fever. I'm not scared, but she ain't either. I second guess, I should've stayed. Cause you know what's on my mind, so
Hi guys, and welcome back to the vlog. It is a new day today, and today I want to quickly do my lashes. This vlog, honestly, I don't know, but this vlog should have been up on Thursday, and I postponed from Thursday, and I said, you know what, I'm gonna upload it on Friday. But then yesterday, I don't really have an excuse because I had all the chances in the world to actually upload it yesterday. But then the thing was, time was really not on my side. It was, but then I just feel like with the state that I was in, I honestly don't think time was really on my side because yesterday the initial plan was to actually go to get my nail glue, which I did, but I got a delay when I decided to stop by my driving lessons, and when I got there was just this whole long story, and I ended up not even driving, so I ended up actually going to our nearest complex, obviously. And then I did get my nails, and then I also got a couple of things that we needed for the house. I actually came back around 1 p.m. It was already late because at 1:30 I had to fetch my nephews from crash. So by the time I came back here, it's almost 2. My phone was low on battery, and storage wise I didn't have the capacity to actually film getting my lashes. But then yeah, we're gonna quickly do my lashes now, and I'm gonna try by all means to make sure that I actually upload this vlog today. But then yeah, you guys already know these are the lashes that I use, and this is the glue that I actually hey, ndo ri tiko ṱoḓa phosho nani kamara nengei ndo ḓa phanḓa no dovha ntevhela futhi ni khou gai ni khou tambela gai ngei murahu tano tambela ro khari nengei tano tambela ngei ro khari ni murunzi guys ho pisa yana fela murunzini. My youngest nephew has been looking at me weirdly. We actually went out to get bread, and when we were on our way back, he kept on calling my name and like pointing at his lashes. I think it was signaling that, Mama, there's something different about your eyes today. Kids. It is currently 1:05, and I want to quickly do my lashes, and then I'm gonna edit, then finish the vlog. This is the last segment. I just finished editing my lashes segment, so I'm only left with this nail segment, and then I am officially done. So yeah.
You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time to make you pay. 30-day trial before I make my mind, and it's a waste. Trials and tribulations. Child, child, child. Kissing in Paris, I guess we could do it in French. Wow. Eating low maintenance, child for now, child, child. She got me wildin' now. Rory Italian, child for now, child, child. Yeah, she make it shake, breaking that bait till the bait break. Wow. Yeah, yeah. Crazy how you managed to make me into a sponsor. You got me paying for shit. You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time to make you pay. 30-day trial before I make my mind, and it's a waste. Trials and tribulations. Child, child, child. She don't want how much, she want Amex and I'm inclined. Face called valid, no I never press it.
We are finally done.
You got me paying. You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I make my mind, and it's a waste. Trials and tribulations. Child, child, child.
And yeah, that's it for this week's vlog. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. I will see you guys in my next upload. Bye.